Hi guys, this is me in the near future. Just wanted to pop in really quick and say that this Hudson model home was vacant at the time, so it's not completely done. So I want to thank our agent Beth for making it happen for us. I was really pressing to see the Hudson model, which was a determining factor because I really wanted to see the layout and see how I feel in it. Yes, consider following my new home journey. There's so much more to come, including which model we chose, my home decor hauls, and how I designed my new home. I'm so excited to have you join us. So let's go on and start the tour. All right, this is the Hudson model. This is the one that I really want. This is the one that I really want. Look at how cute. Oh my God, I love this. It looks so nice. This is Beth, and she's helping us out today. So we're entering the Hudson. Oh my gosh. This is entering the house. Nice.
Where's the doggy? No, it's a doggy.
No, there's no doggy here. No dog, baby. Oh, you saw doggies outside? Is that what happened?
This goes straight outside, right?
Yes.
So this is the living and dining, so there's no real separation.
Not really, yeah. This one, like when we do the models, we have a table over here in this area.
Yeah.
So we get like a nice big table here, and then that's all set up as the family room area.
So they opted out on stairs, is that what happened?
Correct, yes. This is how it comes standard.
Right.
This is the standard way of doing it.
So this rail will be there? Okay.
It's super easy to take out.
Okay.
If you want it. And you're only a couple feet off, like if you only need. A lot of people will go get like the prefab steps from like Home Depot and Lowe's.
For the time being, yeah, we can do that if we want to just build out the deck and not get the covered patio.
Yeah.
Which already, I see already that it has the wood in the bottom, so you
Yes.
can go ahead and start building the deck. Which is good.
Yeah, put some steps off there. And
Okay, so let me see back here. I didn't get to go back here. Let's see back here. Oh, this has the built-ins. Ooh, hold on. What's going on
This
here?
is the French,
So this is,
that's your study.
that's a study.
That's the study.
which is no exercise room.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Nice.
I love that door. You can see through. See everyone working on there. Nice, a walk-in pantry. Very nice. This is nice, yeah.
There you have your garage entrance, your basement, and then your powder room will be back there.
That's the garage.
Okay. That's the garage, and this goes downstairs.
Just downstairs. Want to go check out the basement first?
Sure. All right, so from the kitchen, there's a door back here. So we're gonna go downstairs and check out the downstairs basement area.
So we got the optional bath.
They did do the bathroom down there, yep.
Ooh, look at the space.
Where's the
Kind of a room.
the space?
Beautiful.
That's storage.
Beautiful.
No storage.
This is the bath.
Yep, and you have a nice big storage area.
Look at this. This would look like a nice little playroom for you, huh? Look at this. This is definitely Muñeca Wear headquarters right here. This is Muñeca Wear headquarters, guys.
Yeah.
So what is this one?
This is your storage area.
Oh, this one's a nice little
So
storage
this is
area.
where the water softener system will be, right here.
Mommy, Daddy,
Because this
We're right here,
this
baby.
will go from main water softener system,
it's right here.
and full filter, carbon filter, sediment filter, carbon filter, in there, bring it back this way, bring it back out,
Oh,
and it goes to the rest of
so
the house.
bad to it.
That's pretty awesome. And this is
That's a
the,
nice spacious, yeah.
this is the entrance lobby.
No, this is the what it'll be in the other room. That's like your main hub panel for all your cable wiring.
Oh, that's another thing. You guys wired the house for folks?
Yes.
The whole house, right?
Well, yeah, and you'll have 3 that you can put wherever you want to in the house. If you need additional ones, you can do that. They're all dual ports.
What? You like this one better? Really? Well, wait till we go upstairs. Let's see.
Like neither the Ballinger is like the most refined one, but like the Hudson just like had the most raw space.
Most what? Okay, yeah.
Like the boundary has like a better.
Yeah. Okay, do the lights come down here?
Yes.
At no
these will be
charge?
Standard. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
standard.
these are standard down here.
It's huge.
It is. I know. I'm like, this is Muñeca Way headquarters.
The area right here where the windows going out.
Yeah, and this one's 13 by 20, the other one's 14 by 20. So not a huge difference.
Right.
This one will give you 2 separate closets.
And then this one
Oh, this one has this 2 separate closets, which is what I liked.
What the? Okay, I didn't see that. Whatever.
Whoa, we didn't even see this on the tour.
Yeah.
But I thought it was just this.
I mean, I looked at the schematics, so I was like,
It's a big closet. That's the attic I'm assuming.
Yeah. Alright, look at this. Oh wow, this is a real lot. I have a lot of stuff, so yes. Yes, please, and thank you.
Mommy does need a lot of space, trust me.
Yeah, I love this.
And like, I like it too.
Nice little diamond tray with some skincare. Let's see that shower. Okay, so this is the standard shower.
This is all
You want to take a shower?
No.
No, you don't want to
No
take a shower.
showers, huh? Let me see this
She
closet.
doesn't like showers.
It's long.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah, this is. I know. Ooh, nice. And then a linen closet here.
And I like that storage space downstairs. All our Christmas
Yes.
stuff can go in there, all that stuff.
All the spring and summer stuff.
Yeah.
Seasonal. Yeah. I love this. I love this little section right here for like makeup or maybe some lotions. Ah,
Yeah. Yeah. 12 is pretty big, too.
I like that the bed can go here.
Right.
So did you say there was an optional window in this room?
Yeah, so you can do an optional one right here.
What?
I don't know, would that even be necessary?
Probably not. But we like windows. I love the light.
North or is it facing?
We don't open it.
So I can't go back.
This is a bedroom. So let's see. So coming out of the master suite.
Here's one of the bedrooms.
Look at that. This is a walk-in closet.
Oh, you're trying to close the door?
Baby, we gotta go. It's just a nice little walk-in.
So if the regular color is this way, right?
Yeah, this is all
This is
standard.
it.
Yeah. Hey, pick up your cup. Get that, please.
That's cute. That's good.
This is the
So you
laundry.
have the optional soaking, the laundry tub you can do in here. I think it's like $500 if you want to add that in. You can do that, otherwise you'll have space there.
Would it come with the plumbing already?
Not if you don't add the tub, like the sink in there.
So
if you
they
add
put the sink and they put the plumbing,
Yes.
which I like that.
Yeah, I know you do. So it doesn't have shelves. It just has.
It has cabinets, right?
But we can always have shelves.
We can-
You could add them on
Okay,
If you
yeah.
wanted to. Yeah, there's a lot of space.
And honestly, the only thing we would need is a lot, so we can just hang things up from the line and just take them out like we do at home.
Yeah, sorry. The lighting changes, so this. I'm trying to keep
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Linen closet, and
Linen closet.
then you have the bathroom there.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one comes with the double.
This is the second bathroom. And then one of the bedrooms. Oh, let me see. These are double doors. Cute standard closet. Let's see. Oh, is this another walk-in? Very nice. So this is nice.
What do you think compared to the Columbia? I think this one's
It's a good space to probably have a seat there, you know, for reading and
like a
everything.
little bench. Right?
Yeah, so I mean, the space-wise, and so many things already come.
So this is the
Yeah,
master
we
and
don't
all of them over there. What do you think?
Like, I mean, you get
The one on the other side of the stairs,
Yeah.
So
definitely
when it
mine.
comes to sitting
Huh?
down,
The one on the other side of the stairs, definitely mine.
you know,
I already have like a whole vision over it. So
Not a significant amount. I mean, it's only
This is where the bed would go.
So is it more this way?
This is definitely where the bed would go. I like this bathroom. I love this bathroom.
Oh, stand up. Stand up.
Allison.
Stand up. It's so dirty.
Oh my goodness, guys. What do we do? Do we like the Columbia model or do we like this model? Decisions. What do we do? I am loving this. I am loving this. Again, Master Suite is 1 foot smaller than the Columbia model. This would be my closet, guys.
You get a lot more standard things.
Yeah, we definitely like that add-on.
We'll do a cost-benefit analysis, to see. Obviously, this is more kitchen, and you're not a kitchen person, so I love kitchen.
This is more kitchen, you say?
Yeah, this is definitely more cabinets than the other ones. Because the other one, yeah, if you look at the upgrade, it's all be a big cabinet. Is that correct?
It'll have a countertop. We don't have a countertop.
Okay.
It'll have a cabinet, counter, and a cabinet above it. Your microwave is still here, but yeah, it's still on counter.
This is plenty of counter space. And then we have
I
the
love
big-
it, yeah.
Then we have the big pantry.
Yeah.
So no food will go out here except our dishes, cups, pots and pans, silverware,
And decor.
and that's it. And then all our food will be just centralized in one area.
This doesn't have the trash can thing in it. It's this one. There it is. We like it. Does this have a disposal?
Yes. Yeah, that's the switch for underneath the cabinet.
Okay. Hidden away, perfect.
I like it. I think it's nice. Oh, and these are the stoves that come with it?
So this is the upgraded one. You can
Oh.
do, if you can do this one separately by itself. You don't have to do the whole oven upgrade. You can do this one for $1,000 and just griddle.
The
For
griddle,
griddle for the eggs, pancakes in the morning.
steaks.
Yeah. And I have the one with the grill. But usually it's some interchangeable. You can buy that interchangeable one thing, or you can do like different steaks and stuff.
Okay. Let me get the feel for this again.
And that's why you're not supposed to keep add some things.
It is. It is.
And I don't miss the front porch.
Let's see how it is walking out.
It's a pretty big space, you know, it's not.
So we're just looking at what lots are available. So that's the only thing. Look at all these houses are sold. All these lots are sold. No, these are available.
That one. That one is sold.
This isn't bad, man.
That one's, yeah, but the thing is, you have people behind you.
It's not bad. There's one in the corner here. All right, sorry guys, the lighting. Too bad that. First of all, why am I not on auto on this camera? ¿Tú ves? Back here, it's so isolated. No me gusta.
It's not isolated. Look at the houses that are being built right here.
Look at this, Allison. So would the street be separating us from the woods, or would it be on this side?
It'll be on this side.
Yeah, no. A mí no me gusta. I don't like it.
I actually don't like that either.
I don't like that's breeding ground for rodents and for all kind of
Said
critters.
that there's like coyotes or crap.
Yeah, that's not a good idea, sir.
We'll fence it in.
I'm pretty sure a wolf can jump a fence.
They could if they wanted to. Look at the Ballinger right there. They don't want us to have the Ballinger. Okay, God, we trust you. So it might be that one.
So this is the one right here.
Available 112. That'll be right next to that.
I don't know.
So this is a lot. See, I'm not a fan of the heavily wooded area back there. So that's something we're gonna have to definitely talk about.
The other ones over there.
Yeah. I know.
Oh, there's something to consider.
Yeah. So we just had lunch at Popeyes and now we are at Starbucks. So sorry. So we're going to call a few places. before we get this ball rolling, but I think we made a decision, guys. I think we made a decision.